Asking the right questions to the right people can save you years of learning.
So today we decided to ask some business professionals some of those questions to help you save time and jump into your career quicker. So come on, we're talking with a lot of big companies about interns and how they can help you land an internship.
When you look for an intern, what specifically you're looking for in that person?
Attitude and hustle. We can teach everything else. If somebody comes in that knowledgeable but has a bad attitude, they're gonna ruin it for the rest of us, right? Anybody, even if you don't know anything, if you're eager to learn and you're curious, that's what we're looking for.
I look for aptitude. That's the number one quality I look for. Our core values are smart, helpful, and present. I want someone that loves to learn, that's going to continue to learn. It's important in software to keep your skills relevant. I look for people who are going to show up for their team, who are collaborative, and who are going to show up for my clients as well. They're not going to drop the ball. They're going to be organized.
I would say somebody that's really just open to learning and who can really dive in and learn new skills and really just apply themselves.
Yeah, quick learner and creativity. We're looking for ambition, of course. At our company, you wear a lot of hats. So basically someone who's willing to do anything from work in a warehouse to our marketing team, right? And so we're just looking for anyone that can help with that and really wants to get their hands wet and dirty and dig in.
Positive attitude, someone that has a smile on their face, is willing to learn and wants to engage and is willing to put themselves out there and just be themselves.
Look for somebody that has a lot of energy, a lot of passion, somebody that's hungry to learn, eager, ready, willing to come in and do a good job.
I think the biggest thing is just learnability, right? And being able to be coached and being curious is the big thing. Something that I've learned a lot working for a startup is that if you're not curious, it's going to be really hard to learn. And so be genuinely curious about how you can improve and how other people approach things, because everyone's going to do it a little bit differently, and there's really good learning there to take from everyone.
Yeah, I think people who show a desire to want to grow and progress in their career, really having that hunger of wanting to be a contributor to whatever organization they're joining, and really wants to learn and develop and grow personally their skill set in accounting.
I think the willingness to learn and ability to learn, I want to see someone that isn't just relying on their classroom experience. I want to hear about maybe conferences you've gone to, podcasts you listen to, maybe blog articles. I want to see that you're committed to learning in an outside of class environment. And so whatever that is, I think that's something that would really impress me about an intern and I would really look for.
Hustle. Somebody who is genuinely energetic and excited about the opportunity with the company. There's a lot that you can do in event management, and there's a lot of interesting people that you can make, so it's be excited about it, be passionate, work hard, just jump right in where you can.
I think we're looking more for the soft skills. We're looking for someone that's willing to get in there and be messy and really be resourceful and try to find new ways to solve problems, and are willing to take on big challenges without being afraid of failing and making mistakes. What I found with interns that have struggled is when they're apprehensive, when they're worried about taking that next step and talking to the next person and taking on that big project. And those that really sink their teeth into the work and try to work with others in taking on those projects, they tend to be more successful.
Thanks for watching today's video.
If you enjoyed today's content, drop a like and subscribe to Ensign College.
To learn how Ensign College could help your career, click the link below.